Hello students, program 13 is to find mean, median, mode, standard deviation of n elements using linear array for ungrouped data. So here to find mean, median, mode and standard deviation we have certain formulas. Now coming to the coding part, we will be including stdio.h and math.h data files, and coming to the main program, we'll be initializing an array x of 100 with data type float and sum is equal to 0, mean, median, mode, standard deviation and variance is equal to 0.0. So variance uh, is described as VAR and standard deviation is described as ST. So these are the variables we will be initializing using a float data type, and here you can see int is a data type which is used to initialize I, N, J and temp. Here we are also initializing count, max count is equal to 0. We have to give a set of elements for the array. So this is a printf statement which will be asking for the enter in the number of elements. So here we will be giving a how many number of elements is there in a array. So that is read by a scanf statement, and again we'll start to give the elements of the array. So here printf statement, it is asking for enter the elements. To read each and every element of the array, for loop is used. So here for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So till the I is less than n, the array will take the elements. So n is number of size of the array, and then scanf statement is used to read each and every element. We all know to traverse each and every element in the array we use for loop. So again for loop is used to traverse each and every element of the array, and mean is calculated by a formula sum of all the elements in the array divided by number of elements. So here this is the formula, that is sum divided by n, that will give the value of the mean and stored in the mean. So the sum is calculated using sum plus x of I. So here using the for loop, it will I is initialized to 0 and I less than n, and get inside the loop sum is equal to sum plus x plus I is calculated, and then I is incremented. This will execute till this I is less than n and come out of the loop and mean is calculated. After calculating the mean, the value is printed using printf statement. So after mean we are calculating a variance. So again to traverse each and every element in the array, for loop is used, and variance is calculated using the formula where plus x of I minus mean into x of I minus mean. So this is the formula which is used to calculate the variance, and here var is equal to var divided by float of n, and this gives the value for the variance. So next standard deviation is calculated. Standard deviation is calculated by square root of variance. So the variance value is given for this function square root. So this gives the value of standard deviation and stored in SD, and the standard deviation value is printed. Next, here we are calculating median. So to calculate median, always the array should be in an order. So here again the for loop is used. All the statement is used to make an array in an order, and then if statement is checked with the number of element is odd or even. If it is even, we are going with this formula. If it is odd, we'll be moving on with this formula. So median is calculated using two formulas. If it is odd, we'll be going with this formula. If it is even, we'll be going with this formula. Fine. So after calculating the median, it will be printed. And then next, to calculate mode, again to traverse each and every element of the array, we are using a for loop, and count is equal to 1, count is equal to 0. Mode is a value which is repeated, the number which is most frequently repeated in the array, so that for the first it is initialized to 0, and then the for loop is used. Again, if x of I is equal to x of j, then count will be incremented. So how many numbers is repeated, which value is repeated the most, that value will be incremented, and then it will check for count less greater than max count, and then max count is equal to count, and the mode is printed, and the number which is repeated more, that value is printed, and then it will come out of the loop. So if max count is less than or equal to 1, then it will print elements are not repeated, or else it will, if the number is repeated, then it will print mode is equal to that number, and that will be the mode. This is how we will be calculating mean, median, mode and standard deviation of a array. Now let me run the program. So here, to run the program, I will be clicking on build and run. So here it is asking for enter the number of elements. Let me give the number of element as 6 and enter the element. So let me give the elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So here the mean value is 3, standard deviation is 1.34, and median value is 4, and mode is equal to 4. So you can see 4 is the repeated number in the array, so the mode is equal to 4. So here the mean, standard deviation, median and mode is calculated. Thank you.